Night runs.
Hello everybody, my name is Chris. Let's do some nighttime FPV driving. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna drive around my neighborhood. You guys can watch. Maybe it's cool.
Come on, you go. Go. Alright, I'm gonna go then. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna head down this block here and see how far this range is gonna go. And turn my lights back on. Alright, let's go. Max range reached. Turn around. Oh, I see your eyes. I see you. I see you. Nope, 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 nope. I just realized that I completely blinded this driver when I swerved out of the way of that dog, so let me turn my lights off. My neighborhood isn't usually this busy right now, but you'll see as the video goes on. Alright, let's get ready to race this thing down the sidewalk. Go for a little bit! Alright, slow down, because I don't know when I'm going to run out of range. Probably somewhere right around here. Alright, let's turn around and get on the sidewalk without lighting up their windows. It's not too late here. It's about 6:30. Alright, I'm going to slowly try to drive faster and faster down the sidewalk. Alright, I think that's about as fast as I want to go with this right now. I know it doesn't look that fast, but I guess my car's a little bit twitchy right now and it's kind of bouncing or ping-ponging back and forth. Let me go off-road for a little bit. Yeet! Now that the street's clear, let's get back on the sidewalks for a little bit. And skip all the boring stuff. And if you're still watching me drive my car around my neighborhood, that's awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a little surprise later on in the video. Alright, now let's get turned around, race back this way, and in a couple of seconds, almost wreck my truck going really fast in my neighborhood. Ready, and boom, almost hit the Jeep. Don't know what it was, messed up the left front. Ready, boom. Don't know what that was at all, but I am now gonna limp back home. And that'll be the end. I'll post another video soon. See you guys.